Oh.
What?
Okay.
Will the Cybertruck decapitate me? Nope. It did hurt for a bit. Okay, will it chop my hand off? Nope.
I wonder where the
neck oils on there.
I wonder where the sensors are that it stops it from doing
It just
that.
knows that the window is moving up too much. Oh, that one kind of hurt because my neck can't pull down on it hard enough. So, what about on here? So there's a thing with this. Towards the end, it actually doesn't sense right. If I put like a big part of my arm, it stops. But if I put like my fingers, ow! It's not like decapitated, but I can't get it out without moving the thing.
The truck has like a spongy
It has a
rubber
thing. But here's kind of like hard plastic, so it does dig a little into your fingers. So if your fingers are super tiny and you do that, you'll probably get it smashed off. So I wouldn't put something super tiny because that's probably gonna smash really hard. Because at this point, when it goes in here, it latches, so it'll catch, and then from there it pulls. Like there's no way you can stop it after that.
That doesn't seem good. It seems like water can go in
Okay,
there.
let me see. So if I do this, can I hold it back after? Let's see. I'm gonna open this a little.
Okay.
And then let's pretend my fingers are stuck in there, so I'm gonna pull on it. So it semi-stops it, see? So look at this gap here. If it's closing, if I close it and then I try and pull it back, see, now there's more of a gap. I can put my finger, but if I let go, oh, it closes up a little bit. Not completely. Okay, so there is a rubber gasket here, so water doesn't really go in that well.
Yeah.
And then this kind of lip angles down to make water kind of go down that channel. But the water can get in if you're using like pressure washer or something, or if it's like a hurricane, then really windy, maybe, but it won't be a lot. It'll be minimal. So yes, if you're skinny enough, if your fingers are small enough, if it's just small enough, maybe if I put two fingers, it'll crush them both together and it'll be hurting pretty bad. It's not going to chop it off, but it's hard enough that it'll hurt really bad. Here, it'll probably smash it pretty bad.
But isn't the controls, you have to operate the
controls are on this side. So you either need to have your phone, you need your phone here to be able to operate this. So somebody nearby either has your phone or something, because otherwise you can't operate this. Well, maybe if you unlocked it with the key card. But yeah, if you smashed your fingers in here, you'd be stuck. You'd need to call for somebody to help you get out. So I saw one guy, he smashed his hand in here, and the sensor, it'll sense like up until slightly bigger than your, like maybe if you had your arm in there. I don't want to do that, but I saw him like stick his hands in here with a glove, and then it went back up. But then when he stuck his bare hand in here, it like smashed it in there, and it didn't chop his fingers off, but it's definitely gonna hurt. So yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's small for a frunk, but it is pretty big. It fits enough stuff for what I need. So then there's this. So if you like stop it, it'll stop. Then you got these sharp pointy things here, but they put plastic on it to make it a little less sharp. But yeah, if you put your hand like here and you close it, you're gonna get hurt. Yeah, so this is the emergency if you get locked in there, but only like little kids can fit in there. And then this one also has one. So this one, but if you get trapped in here, unless you already knew this information, you're going to be trapped. But so there's this door. When this closes, you're not going to be able to see anything. Like these lights will turn off. There's these red strap thingies here. So let me push that in and I'll show you this. Okay. So if we were to close this, you can see the lights turned off right now. So it'll be like that. And basically you have these little things. One unlocks one side and one locks the other side. So you have to be able to pull both at the same time. And then, ouch, here. Come on. You can see the wire thingies coming out. You have to pull it pretty hard, I guess. It's not working. Did I break it?
I think you already unlocked it.
No. Okay, let me take a look at what's going on inside here. I think, oh, these are supposed to be, okay, you see these? They need to stay hooked onto this metal thing down there. So you have to make sure to pull it straight out. So I need to now hook these back on down there. Yeah, that's a bad design. Because you'll pull on this and then you're going to be stuck. So this metal thing down there, I don't know if you can even see. Let me put this in and I'll show you how it's supposed to look.
I thought both of them. Oh,
oops, sorry about that. Okay, so here you see I put it back in. I don't know why one has this little rubber nubby thing on top, the other one doesn't. Did I put it back right? Anyways, you have to see, if you pull it out, it comes out and then you're going to be screwed. You're going to be stuck in there. These things need to stay wedged in there or you're going to die.
Pretty sure you can just grab the wires and then hold it back from the thing.
No, if you do this, it's really hard, see? And then this thing is scraping itself on the plastic.
No, you just hold the green part and push it.
Yeah, you can, I guess. It's just, it works like a bicycle brake kind of thing. So there's that, okay? So you have to, I guess, pull it downwards. No, it's coming out on its own.
That's not a very good design.
That what? You're gonna die. Whoever gets locked in here is gonna die. Okay, I'm gonna rotate this. So that way it rotates itself in towards the thing. Let's see if that does anything. Who's that?
Neighbors walking.
Oh, okay. So we got that, and you can see we can pull both of these, but it's probably gonna come out. So let me see if I'm gonna have to climb in there probably, because it's, give me a second. All right, so let's try this again. Now I'm inside. This doesn't work. Let me look at my video and see if that's how it was attached. Okay, so this is a more serious safety concern. I tested these latches while it's down, so if I pull it, it comes out of this notch and it doesn't stay in. One side will actually unlock while the door is up. The other side is really, like, you can't pull it at all. I tried really hard. When the door is down, you can pull it and you can hear it unlatching. But when the door is actually up and latched, it won't work.